Introducing the PaintPen Pro, the ultimate tool for professionals and car enthusiasts who want to ensure the quality of every vehicle's paintwork. Whether you're inspecting a used car, checking for hidden repairs, or just ensuring the quality of the paint job, the PaintPen Pro has you covered. With PaintPen Pro's advanced electromagnetic technology, you can instantly detect hidden paint repairs and damage, all without damaging the surface. It works on a wide variety of metal surfaces from steel to aluminum and copper, making it perfect for any car inspection. Whether you're a mechanic, detailer, or car buyers, this means you can ensure you're not getting a vehicle with hidden damage or shoddy repairs. Unlike traditional methods, PaintPen Pro performs non-destructive, non-invasive testing, preserving the integrity of the car's surface while giving you accurate results. Thanks to its advanced technology, you get precise, reliable measurements every time, and its portable, easy-to-use design means you can take it anywhere. Perfect for inspections on the go, perfect for auto manufacturers, detailers, and anyone working with cars. The PaintPen Pro offers a versatile, durable tool that gets the job done. Built to last, it's made for long-term reliability, ensuring it stays with you through every inspection and job. Don't trust just any tool when it comes to your car inspections. Choose the PaintPen Pro for the most accurate, convenient, and non-invasive testing available. Get your PaintPen Pro today and start inspecting like a pro. Visit our to order now and learn more about the PaintPen Pro.